It's frustrating when your app won't launch because of the Mfc42u Unicode DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist, and we're going to restore that missing file today. Before we dive into the Mfc42 Unicode manual process, note the maintenance tool linked below for standardized file referencing. This DLL file is the Unicode-enabled version of the Mfc4.2 library. It allows classic C++ applications to support multi-language text rendering and international data formats on the Windows 98 and Windows NT platforms. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. The recommended fix is a reinstall of Microsoft Visual C++ 6.0. Grab the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributable installers from Microsoft and run them to replace the file. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Mfc42 Unicode file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Using an incorrect or outdated version of the Mfc42 Unicode DLL can create a domino effect, causing other unrelated programs on your PC to start failing. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If library conflicts or resource allocation issues are present, the link below provides general information on managing the Mfc42 Unicode dependencies. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for the Mfc42 Unicode today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.